What up, what up, what up? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Fabulous followers, I am here to drop on you a quick, small bathroom makeover video. Every 6 months to a year, I feel like I do my bathroom over, my bathroom and my bedding. This one is unique to me because it's part of my journey into actually unfolding a little bit in this apartment. Haven't really been pleased. There's other videos that talk more about that, but I want to commit to 1 more year in this unit. So the bathroom makeover is just the first step in me doing some things to feel more comfy and cozy in my space. So like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, tell a friend, tell a friend. Check the video out and make sure you let me know on a scale of 1 to 10 how you like it.
Used to rake leaves for money, now they pushing snow.
First order of business is to get rid of the old. So that's what we're gonna do right here. Stand by. You know you can't do no redecorating without doing some cleaning first. So yeah, I'm getting to it.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
When I tell y'all, like, this be when it be like my favoriteest time, when like it's all clean and then I'm putting down the makeover. And I decided to put the longer rug by the shower this time because I always seem to need something right there versus in front of the sink. So before you ask me, that's why both rugs are like that, because I wanted the one by the shower. Yeah. I ordered this picture to go right here, but it won't be here for a couple more days. And of course, I couldn't wait. So that's what I wanted y'all to know. Oh, and I'm going to put a black towel right there. But for now, we have my white Scorpio towel. And here I am just putting some soap in the soap dish. My foaming bath soap is in a blue one, so I put that away for now. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that one. But I'm going to get some more of the mahogany teak wood because it's the black and gold bottle to match the bathroom. So yeah, I love how it's coming together. And stay tuned. I was using that cup for what are those, cotton balls, but on the thing it showed that you could use it for a mouthwash rinse cup. I choose not to do that. I usually don't use mouthwash unless it's in the car after I've had a Black and Mild. So yeah, almost complete. Almost ready to see what y'all think.
Rich. I know you bleed like I bleed, we feel the same pain. And if we ever choose a side, gon' be the same gang. With all these niggas switching up, it's hard to maintain. I know you with me, right or wrong, won't ever change lane. We gon' slide to the end, my brother, my guy, and my friend could never cut ties. We living reckless, yeah. But I've been trying to show them different. I lost too many niggas to the streets and to the system. The judge gon' give you life before you ever started living. Get smoked like Bobby Brown before you meet your new addition. Damn, another fatherless child. Crazy how you all alone when you part of the crowd. The text sing you up the guy, guess he calling you now. Trying to brace myself for life, make it harder to smile. Lil' bro got caught without it on him, and we learned from that. Then Brody died with that fire, they gon' burn for that. White lows in the dirt at the cemetery. Thoughts in my head as you getting buried. We gon' slide to the end, my brother, my guy, and my friend could never cut ties. We locked in, a 1-2 punch. We top 10.
And if you get tested, just know I'm stepping with the Wesson. Them niggas gon' learn from all the smoke, we giving lessons. Danny Glover with the weapon. The violence see me getting hectic. Modern day, we living reckless.